So yeah, I'm excited about growing the beard out again, but there's something I want from you guys as well. It's time to grow the beard out once more. I'm pretty excited to be starting sort of another beard growing journey on this channel. And I mean, I think I've spoken about it. I've loved having a shorter beard, and I went from having a sort of 16-month, fairly long, big, bushy beard that I hadn't really maintained particularly well because I was doing the year and I wasn't taking any length off. I wasn't really taking any sort of split ends and damaged hair off, and that's probably why I would never actually recommend you undertake a yeard. But at the same time, I definitely would recommend it because it's one of those wonderful experiences. But it's not something I'm certainly in a rush to ever go back to. But there is a kind of style that I haven't had for quite some time, and I kind of just want to explore it a little bit more. So what is this sort of mythical style that I want to explore? And let's talk about it. Now I'll throw up some images on screen of kind of what I think this style is going to look like, and it's similar to one that I've had before, and it's a slightly longer beard, so probably comes down to about here, maybe a bit shorter. You know, it's got a bit of a body to it, but the mustache is where the magic happens here, and I want to grow a big, bushy, fairly bushy mustache, and I don't know if I'm going to like it. That's the catch here. So I may not get to it, and I'm not going to tell Carly that that's what I'm going for because she hates the bushy mustache look on me. But for me, it's something that I kind of like the look of in theory, and I haven't had a bushy mustache for quite some time. And I kind of want a beard style where I don't have to mess around with mustache wax. I love mustache wax. I think it's great. But I can tell you now from my yeared growing experience, or my second yeared growing experience, in the last few years of having various different sized beards, that the biggest pain in the world is styling a mustache. It's just something that I don't really ever want to do, if I'm being perfectly honest. So yeah, I'm excited about growing the beard out again, but there's something I want from you guys as well, and it's quite simple. I kind of think whilst the world's in isolation, where we kind of aren't going out too much, where you can probably be excused if you're working for someone and they're not too keen on beards, or that slightly rugged that rugged look. I wouldn't call it messy, I'd call it rugged. I think you can get away with growing your beards out a lot more than ever before. And anyone that has felt limited because of their career, their work, about growing out a beard, I know you may still jump on Zoom calls and stuff like that, but let's be honest, just get a worse quality webcam and it will just blur in anyway. So I want you guys to join me in growing your beards out. We'll call it the Isolation Growing Challenge. Yeah, like, is that too long-winded? I don't know. Let's just go with that for now. Comment below if you think that you have a better idea, a better name for this. And I want to know which of you are going to join me in growing out your beards. You can go for any style, any look. It might be a yeard. It might just be that you want to grow a killer mustache out. And the whole premise of this is that you kind of just grow out until your country stops their sort of isolation, their lockdown. The rules are quite loose, guys. Like, come on, we're already under enough sort of tension from rules. So you can trim your beard if you want. You can tidy it up. But I think just let it grow for a little while without touching it, without trimming it, without, working on the perfect shape. Just give it a bit of time. And let's just have some fun with this whilst we are in a state of craziness in this world. And I would love for you guys to share your isolation beard grow challenge. I see, I can't even remember. Isolation grow. Oh, geez. We need to think of a better name. And I don't have it. But I want you to share this with me. And the way I want you to share this with me is uploading photos to Instagram and tagging me in. Here's my Instagram. Go and follow me there. DM me your photos and I'll feature you on the Instagram page. But more importantly, I will feature you on this channel. And you can also email me at beardsterYT, YouTube, at gmail.com. And you can find that on the About tab on my channel. It's pretty simple. And I'll leave all of this in the description, of course. But let's bring more of you onto my channel. I don't care if you're other content creators, if you just grow beards as a hobby, as a passion. I just want to get way more of you involved on this channel. And if any of you are up for it, just let's jump on a Zoom call or something and we can chat and maybe record a little episode together and put it on here talking about beards or something. Yeah, that's it really. So let's go with that. Grow your beards. Show me your beards. Show me your progress. Let's share this. Let's bring something awesome out of this whole experience. Let's build this community a lot more. And yeah, let's go from there. I'll see you soon, my friends. Stay safe, stay well, stay home. I don't know. Get a few beers. I don't know. Buy a Nintendo Switch, get Animal Crossing New Horizons and just, I don't know, just have fun. Chill out. Enjoy yourself. See you soon. Goodbye.